What's up, guys? It's been a minute. I got a little journey here that I wanted to share with you guys. So if you remember and you watched the channel, there was a C10 cab that sat over in the corner that I needed to finish up. Well, guess what? We are finishing it. Check this out. I built this out of some 2x4s and some hooks just to hold the doors up so that way they can be painted. Because I'm not spending $300 or $500 on a door rack. So this is a two-tone truck. Now we done painted the bottom the gray, just got the top done. So I just wanted to show you how this is taped off. Now what I did is they wanted it ran up the door jamb like that and then broken where the belt molding is, so that way the top is black and then, you know, the rest of the truck is gray. We done painted the inside already, the dash and the back wall and the roof and everything like that, but I wanted to show you this, so letting this tack up a little bit and then try and get it clear coated. That's the plan, because I've been working on this thing. I've been back here for probably a couple hours already. You know, you got to get everything prepped, and then you got to spray your sealer. You got to let the sealer dry, then you got to come and spray your regular base, whatever, the gray color. Then you got to let that dry. Then you got to take that off. Then you got to paint your black, and now you got to take plastic off and then put your clear on. Like it's a process. And mind you, it's like 30 degrees outside, if not less. So if you can hear, I don't know if you can hear it, but I have two big heaters running on the other side that keeps this room at like 70, 74 degrees. Otherwise, this is not possible. It's just not possible. But I'll throw you guys in the corner, maybe clear coat it, or we'll just come back. And I just wanted to show you guys how this is done. If you've never done a two-tone paint job or something, this is kind of the steps you have to take. So if you got any questions, throw them down there, but I'll bring you back in a little bit. All right, so we got the paper pulled off. Now you can see a little better. All right, so we taped up the door jambs reverse taped, so the tape's on the back. So that way when you spray this is all clean in one continuous paint job. You don't have any lines anywhere. So after we got done with that, then we came back and taped off where the black goes. Taped off all around the edges there, and then around the back, and then bagged it and taped it to that. That way the only thing that was exposed was the part that was getting painted black. And then ran around the back, and then the same thing on this side, and then the firewall. So everything is back taped, so that way all the jambs, like behind your windshield, your door jambs, your back glass, everything is painted on this side and it's painted on the other side, because we've already painted the inside of the cab as well. That way everything's clean. There's nowhere for anything to peel. You don't have to worry about anything. It's seamless. It's nice. Now, I do wish that they would have took everything off the firewall. They didn't want to do it. They didn't want to pay for that. They just said paint it, so guess that's what they get. But I just wanted to show you guys that, so I'm gonna let it tack up just a little bit longer, throw some clear coat on it, and then I'll come back and show you the end result there. See you later. check it out. So, here's the doors. Firewall. All the door jams. Piece here, yeah, turned out pretty good. Got a few little spots we got to buff on them. Other than that, let it dry up, cut it, buff it, send it on its way and get it out of here. I'll get you a video of it tomorrow though, if I can get to it and we get to buff it and everything. Show you what it looks like when it's finished and everything. Alright, so we're back the next day. We have finally got everything cut and buffed. As you can see, it turned out pretty good. And then here's the cab untaped. So as I was saying, the body line or color line runs under that belt molding there. But everything's good. Turned out good. This is the inside, because you guys didn't get to see that. Painted the back, up to the ceiling. There's no point in painting the upper dash, but all the bottom of the dash is done. Door jams, firewall. So yeah, there you have it. If you got any questions, throw them down below. See you in the next one.